President Obama today will try to rally support for the immigration plan he unveiled last night. The president is taking executive action to change deportation policy. It could keep millions of undocumented immigrants in the United States. Major Garrett is in Las Vegas, where the president will begin selling his plan. Major, good morning.
Good morning. President Obama will sign the memo setting all of his immigration reform policies in motion here at Del Sol High School. It was from this spot nearly 2 years ago. The president called on Congress to pass comprehensive immigration reform. Knowing Republicans are furious with his unilateral actions, the president will say there is one way they can be all wiped away: for Congress to pass a bill the president can sign. Anticipating Republican charges of blanket amnesty, President Obama said the current system without his changes amounts to amnesty by inaction.
Millions of people who live here without paying their taxes or playing by the rules, while politicians use the issue to scare people and whip up votes at election time.
It was an odd complaint. The president broke a promise to take these actions in September, all to shield nervous Senate Democrats fearful of the political backlash. The president's actions do the following: lift the threat of deportation from an estimated 5 million undocumented adults and children who have lived in America at least 5 years. Adults with children born in the U.S. or with permanent legal status can also apply for a 3-year work permit.
Most of these immigrants have been here a long time. They work hard, often in tough, low-paying jobs.
It also keeps the summer surge of Border Patrol agents on the southern border and prioritizes the hunt for border crossers with ties to terrorism or violent crime.
Felons, not families. Criminals, not children. Gang members, not a mom who's working hard to provide for her kids.
Lastly, it simplifies the visa process and would allow longer stays for high-tech foreign workers and foreign students pursuing science, engineering, or math degrees. For immigration activists long disappointed by White House indifference, it all sounded like a new day.
It's almost unreal because for 6 years we've had a different President Obama. When he came into office, we believed his campaign promises. We believed he was going to make immigration a priority.
All these changes last only as long as President Obama remains in office. The next president can extend them or eliminate them. Sign-ups start in the spring, and there's a lengthy verification process, meaning some undocumented immigrants may not receive this legal protection until 2016. And that could well mean their legal status in this country will literally be on the presidential ballot. Gail?
All right, Major, thank you.